Gabdu monkey and Rustam monkey story. There is a monkey. His name is Gabdu. He lives in jungle. He does not want to work hard because he is very lazy. One day he goes to other side of the jungle. He sees there are many monkeys working in a field. He goes to them and asks them, "What are you doing?" They say, "We are doing what you are seeing." This monkey says, "I see you all are working in a field. Why are you working so hard?" They say, "We are working hard because we want to get money, and after getting money, we want to enjoy our life." The monkey Gabdu thinks, "I am very lazy. I do not do any work. From now onwards, I do also work with them. Like this, they all enjoy their life." Thank you. Dictation is over. So question answers. So before making questions, you have to do one thing. First of all, you have to make this paragraph in Hindi. Then after that, you have to write the questions answers. Okay, please go ahead with the questions. Who is Gabdu? Where does he live? Why does Gabdu not work hard? Where does he go one day? What does he see there? What does he ask them? What do they say? Where these monkeys are working? Why are they working hard? After seeing them, what does Gabdu think? Thank you.